Hi folks, Jenny here at Vitreus Art. I know it's a little early on in the year, but we're letting you know all about our Christmas workshops coming up. So we all need to get organised, so the dates are in the diary, so when you finish listening to me, you can pop over to the website and take a look and get your workshops booked. We've got a couple of different workshops going on this year. We've got our winter scene workshop, which you can make the winter scene. We've also brought in some other little workshops that you can do on the winter scene workshop. It's called Choose Your Fuse, and you can choose on the day. So winter scene, as I say, or 2 luxury fuse tea lights, or 4 little tea lights. It's up to you. As I say, you can choose on the day. For our decorations workshop this year, we've got our lovely old favourites. We've got our icicles here. We also have our little hanging Christmas trees and our wreaths, so you can choose from those and a couple of other things as well. And new this year are, oops, nearly fallen over, lovely penguins. So you can make a couple of penguins on the Christmas decoration workshops. And who doesn't love a penguin? I know I do. And then we've also got the Christmas card blanks that you can make. So you get the square, you decorate it. Once it's fired, we'll drill a hole in it for you. And then when you come and pick them up, you can take them away and make them into cards the same way I make mine into cards. And also, unfortunately, I don't have an example, but we've also got the snowflakes for you to make as well. So lots and lots of things to choose from. So pop over to the website and take a look, and hopefully we'll see you on a Christmas workshop soon. Cheers, bye.